5 ways to make money online even if you're broke. Do you want to earn money online, but don't have the money to get started? Luckily, there are certain methods to making money online, even if you're strapped for cash. 1. Make money from Instagram shoutouts. There's plenty of ways to make money on Instagram. Free method is to grow a niche following. This is when you create a page around a specific niche, for example dogs. Then, post regular content around that niche that your followers will like, comment and share. The goal here is to build a big following. We say 10,000 because it's a big enough audience to make money from. You need 10,000 or more followers to unlock the story feature on Instagram. The story feature is important because you can use it to earn money through shoutouts. This is when you promote a brand's product, page, or site on your story for an agreed period of time. It's a very profitable way of marketing. And, best of all, doing shoutouts isn't a hard job. 2. Create and sell your own video course. The online world is swamped with free information. Yet, this has no effect on the online education market, which is rapidly growing each year. If you have a skill, or passion, there's a sea of opportunity to make money here. One particular way is to create a video course. For example, a course on how to become a social media pro, or lose weight. Teachable is a platform that allows you to create and sell your own video course for free. You can set up a free account here, and enroll up to 10 students to join your course. After you surpass 10 enrollments, you'll need to upgrade your plan. 3. Start a free online merch store. One of the best free methods to earn money online is to start an online merch store. This is where you create your own custom merchandise, like mugs or t-shirts, and then list them for sale in an online marketplace. When someone purchases your product, their production team will print the design onto the product, package it up, then ship to your customer's address. In the industry, this practice is named print on demand. Because that's what it is, printing a design on demand. How you get paid is also very straightforward. When someone makes a purchase, the cost to fulfill the order is deducted from the sale price. Whatever is left over, profit, is then paid out to you as a commission. 4. YouTube tutorial videos. While YouTube is great for entertainment, it's also a place to learn new skills. So, a great way to earn money while helping others is by creating tutorial videos. Specifically, tutorials that show people how to use a specific product or service. In addition, the product or service you promote needs to have an affiliate program. This is a program that allows you to be an affiliate for the product you're promoting. When you sign up to an affiliate program, you'll be given your own affiliate link, also known as a referral link. When someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you earn a commission from that sale. In the industry, this practice goes by the name of affiliate marketing. 5. Create your own Fiverr gig. Fiverr is a platform where you can hire freelancers to carry out certain tasks for you. As a freelancer, you too can create and list your own gig on Fiverr. Then, get paid every time someone purchases your gig. The problem here is, most freelancers make the mistake of selling the same service as everyone else. This makes it harder to land projects, since you're competing with so many other similar gigs. Our secret advice: discover gigs that very few people offer as a service. Then, create a gig for that instead. With little competition, your chances of landing a project are much higher. Moreover, you stand out from other freelancers, which is great for personal branding. If you like this video and looking forward to start online earning, then make sure to visit our Profit Product Creator website and sign up for great benefits, the link in the description. That's all for this video, see you in the next one.